Alright, I've added pancake batter, which was a disaster. Pancake batter, no. Don't use pancake batter. It's bad for many reasons. But you can see it's spreading down from the top into our pudding layers. Um, and it just makes a giant mess. I thought it would be more viscous. It's mostly just water. So should have gone with the honey. Okay, but our crumble is on top, right? So we could try to see what happens. So we definitely had sinking, but I think I would have liked it to be less uniform. And then we have pollution, that's kind of gross. But pollution at the surface on top of the blueberry crumble in the form of pudding. So I don't know. This is an interesting one. I'll have to go back to the drawing board, but it's gonna take me a minute. Okay.